Great morning student. Hope so you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to start creating a recipient list. Creating a recipient list. To create a new mailing list, select the type new list radio button under select recipient selection in the mail merge task pane. Now you can see there is a create option. Click on the create option. Then this type of table will be appear. The new address list dialog box will be appear on the screen as shown the figure. You can see in this figure there is a new address list will be appear. Click on the customize columns button to add to or remove field. You can add and remove your field. Enter the data in the respective field and click on the new entry button located at the bottom left of the dialog box. You can see in this image, in this dialog box, enter the 3 record of your friend and the relatives. Click OK. When you click OK, then you will get the save address list dialog box. So write the file name here. Firstly, you write the file name, specify your name of a file. Next, text box and click the save button. Okay. When you save, then your list will be mail merge recipient dialog box will be appear as shown in figure. You can see there is a mail merge dialog box will be open. The dialog box display the detail of the all records added by you. Okay. So all record are display here. To change any detail, you can select the data source and click on the edit button. Okay. There is a edit button you can see in this image located under the source box. When you are through, click on the OK. Note that by default tick marks are placed on the checkboxes next data source field. Okay. It gives an indication record are selected. If you do not want to send the letter to a particular address, just click that the specific checkbox. There is a checkbox to desire the deselect it. Click OK. Okay. Now click on the next. Write your left letter wizard step under the step 3 of 6 section in the mail merge task pane. You can see there is a options. So let's know more about this recipient list. Press the tab key to move between fields while typing the information. Okay. So next is inserting merge field. So how can we insert merge field? Then we discuss here. That is, place the cursor at the position when you want to insert the record file. Okay. Firstly, place your cursor where you want to find your record. On the mailing tab, click on the insert merge field button in the right and insert field group. Okay. You can see yellow color, there is a insert merge dialog box. Insert merge field dialog box will be appear with a list of field name you have created. Okay. Which you have created. So there is a all field will be available. Click on the field name that you intend to add and then click on the insert button. So there similarly insert other field also you can insert into the document. Click on the close button. Now you can see in this image this block will be inserted. You will notice selected field name will be appear in your document one after another. Horizontal, you can see separated the field name by the pressing the enter key. Okay, you can press enter key, then you can spread your address block, okay, according to yourself. Now next is viewing the merged data. How can we view the merged data? Firstly, you can check whether Microsoft Word has picked up the data source according to the merged field, okay, or not, by viewing it on the screen. Now click on the preview results. When you click on preview results button in the preview result group on the mailing tab, where that find mailing tab, click on the next option. When you click next, preview your letter wizard steps. So 4 to 6 steps follow there. Now next is, you can see in this image these are 4 to 5 and 6 select. You can see there is a name is Nitin Thakur, that is address also. Click the next record button. When you click the next record button and preview the result group, you view the next, there is a Pradeep Thakur name, okay, record of the data source. Now next is printing the letter. It's a final phase of the merge cell, that is the printing of the letter. Now you can take the printout of your letter with the merged data of your source, data source, okay. In the order to print the letters, follow the given step. So we follow these steps, that is our last finish merge cell, finish merge button in the finish group. When we finish in the mailing from the mailing tab and select the print document option from the drop down menu, okay. So click on the next, complete the merge wizard step under the step 5 and 6 section in the task pane, and then click on the print option under the merge section, okay. So your merging is complete. The merge to print dialog box will be appear. So this dialog box will be appear. Define the desired print setting and the click on OK, okay. So when you click OK, then select the record will be printed separately along with the letter, okay. You can see in this image, then our letter will be prepared. So now Word 2013 provides a similar option to create a mail merge document by the selecting the start menu mail merge option from the mailing tab. मीन्स ये आपका 2010 में भी है, 13 में भी है और 2016 में है. नाउ लेट्स अ रिकैप विच टॉपिक वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. Firstly, we discuss the mail merge feature is used to send the letter with the similar information to the number of people at the different addresses. Means different addresses पे हम अपना main document send कर सकते हैं. Mail merge feature combine the two documents. One main document and other is a recipient list या data source you can say. And third is a mail document contain the text you wish to send to all recipients. So I hope you understand. Thank you, student.